How's everybody doing today? I want to do another little YouTube video here, a talk on walking in nature and having awareness, more awareness when we go for walks than we typically do. I notice with myself and probably most other people, we tend to go for these hikes and we're on a mission, right? We want to get exercises, which is good, but we go on a mission on these hikes and we don't really pay attention to anything that's around us. So we're getting the exercises, but we're not getting the feeling of calmness, and we're not being rejuvenated by these walks. We're just doing the exercises, which is good. But I've also incorporated a lot of other things, because it's not only our physical fitness, it's our mental fitness as well. We often rushed and we don't have the awareness of the trees around us, the sound of the wind, the way the branches move, animal life around us. We don't pay attention to that. And our mind is still cluttered with things. And then when we get off it, yes, we got to exercise it, but we're still go, 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 like we are during the week. So I've started to do a particular routine. I combine box breathing with the forces, natural environment. And what I mean by that is I use the environment to help with the box breathing and to sort of give me something to focus on. So box breathing is you inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold for 4. So what I typically do is I first I get into the bush a little bit from the parking lot, and I stand still and I just do the normal breathing and notice the trees, the wind, the sounds, the animals, if there is any. And then I begin to slowly walk. Not a race or anything, but as I inhale, I take a look around and I inhale, I follow the tree branches up, or the trees up. I hold, I soften my gaze, and I look around. And when I exhale, I look to the forest, left to right. And during the final hold or pause, I listen to sounds as I'm walking slowly. And I find if you do this on a regular basis or get into the pattern of doing this, you notice a reduction in noise in your head. And an increase in sensory detail and quietness and the quieting of the mind. So there's potential benefits of this is increased calmness and clarity, improved focus, greater visual awareness of what's around you, reduced mental fatigue, because you're not constantly going in the head. And you have a stronger sense of being present in the moment. And it also gets you off the phone, because most people, when they go for walks, they're talking or they're looking on their phones. I notice a lot of people when I go to a place over there and I walk around, people do walk, but they're like this with their phone. So they're not really getting the benefits of the walk, right? Because they're still glued to that screen. So I've started to make changes and not take the phone, or if I do have to take the phone, I keep it in the thing and I don't pull it out. The only time I pull it out is if I'm doing a recording or doing a video, right? And then I put it away. I'm trying to get rid of being on the phone a lot. So, also want to give a safety tip as well. If somebody is watching this and they want to try it out, but they're not used to the breathing, different breathing techniques, or they haven't really focused on their breathing, or if you're a chest breather, or if you have anxiety, or you're stressed out, or you're like this, I recommend going for a walk in the nature, doing the same thing, but doing the normal breathing. Like just being aware of your breath. And exhale longer than you inhale. And you can do the same steps, but just do a different type of breathing. And once you get used to it, your body gets used to it, you're getting used to the breathing. You could try box breathing out, and if you find you're getting lightheaded with the holds, stop and just continue breathing normally with the longer exhales. And just being present and being aware of your environment and just enjoying the environment and the quietness. And yeah, so hopefully this helps. And if you like what I am doing, or if you like this video, give a thumbs up, give a comment. And if there's any other breathing techniques you want me to go over, I can. But yeah, get out, enjoy the hikes, enjoy the trails, enjoy the forest, but be present. Until then, keep healthy, move with intention, and enjoy life. Have a good one. Bye.